Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Shut up, for Pete's sake, you cat! Meow, 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 ow, meow, meow, ow, ow, meow, meow, ow. Okay, I'm going to burp. Wait for it, wait for it. Those are some stank eye burps. Ain't I a dog? Yes. Now, Dollface. Okay. Now for the finishing one. I can build my ABCs. Well, A, B, C, and that's it. Because I don't know what comes after that. And cat. Now, cat. That was one big bumps. And I am the director of what this video was called, Cat Bumps. Yes, I may have. Yes, and I can do a boy-looking voice. I want to show you guys the clue before this episode is done. First, this one was all about okay, you just heal. Okay, now come back from there. You over there? Well, see? Oh yeah, smell her hair. It smells like watermelon. This is Dollface. Ain't you, doll? Okay.
Stop fooling around for 1 minute. Alvin, move.
For 1 second to do something.
Please stop getting caramel sauce on your fur. Alvin. That's got a lunch. Now you can get a hilarious talking character.
This kitty is named Miss New York. Miss New York. Done. I hope you love this video, and we do love you. Remember, watch next time's episodes of Toy So.